Hey all, welcome back in Skolarhive. Today I'm going to start one of the most important, powerful and fascinating topic in mathematics. Guess what? It's not just only a topic or chapter in mathematics. You can think this as the basic of the science or the backbone of the engineering. So guess the name? It's a trigonometry. So we are going to start trigonometry. What children think about the trigonometry? Many students think trigonometry is all about remembering the formula like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. But it is far away from the truth. Trigonometry is language of angles, distance, and the periodic motion. It helps us to measure the things that we cannot measure directly. Imagine a situation that you visited Eiffel Tower. Somebody asked you, what is the height of the tower? You don't know what exactly the height of that. You are not going to take the measuring tape and you climb the top of the tower and you measure the length. You are not going to do that, right? So what you can do instead of that is you can stand at some non-distance from the foot of the tower. Let's say you are standing 50 meters away from the tower. From that point, you can measure how elevated the top of the tower from this point. You can use one of the instruments known as clinometer that can give you how much elevation the top of the tower is from the base. That elevation's angle and the non-distance of this point from the foot of the tower, these two information, and then there comes the trigonometry, which is going to help you in finding the height of the tower and the distance of the top of the tower to the foot that you are standing. So trigonometry is like developed to study the geometry involved triangles, but nowadays it is used in almost every field of science and engineering. Trigonometry is comprised of two Greek words, trigonon and metron. Trigonon is triangle and metrons means measure. So basically trigonometry is the measurement of the triangles. What kind of measurement? Measurement of angles if the sides or side ratios given, or the measurement of sides or side ratios if the angles are given. It has wide applications. You can see the applications of the trigonometry in physics, in astronomy, in surveying, in image processing, now in artificial intelligence, as well as data science and machine learning as well. So whenever you see there is an angle, waves and a periodic motion, there's the existence of the trigonometry will be there. So now the questions comes in your mind, why we need to study the trigonometry, where it is going to help us in JEE Main or JEE Advanced or Olympiad. If you are thinking like this, what the use of learning the trigonometry, how it is going to help you in like your academics. So In JEE Mains or JEE Advanced or Olympiad, trigonometry is not a separate chapter, but it is involved in coordinate geometry, calculus, vector, 2D or 3D geometry, complex number, differential equations, and physics problem involving motions, waves, and lights. So, well understanding of trigonometry makes much difficult questions a easier one. So, what you will learn in this series? In this series, I will start with absolute basic and gradually move to the advanced level problem solving. I will start this lecture series with the angles and its measurement, the systems of measurement of angles. Then we'll learn trigonometric ratios of some non-angles, trigonometric identities, and then we'll learn the application of trigonometry, height and distance. After that, we'll learn the transformation, we'll learn the graph of trigonometry, compound angles, multiple and some multiple angles. Then we'll learn the trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometric functions, and properties, some of the advanced properties and identities. Then we'll learn some short trick and techniques to solve the questions, and at last we'll do the previous year's questions. Every lecture focus on concept first, followed by illustrative examples, exam oriented questions, and method of solving challenging questions with confidence. At the end of this lecture series, you won't just memorize the formula. You will understand how they work, when to use them, how to apply those things in solving the challenging problem with confidence. So let's begin our most exciting journey into the world of trigonometry. Let's build a strong concept and master one of the most fascinating topic in mathematics. Stay tuned, we'll meet soon with our first lecture in this trigonometry series. Stay tuned. Bye bye.